Welcome back to Blue Code. Here's a programming secret. Anyone can write code that computer understands, but a true professional writes code that human understand. Today, we're learning the strict rules and the styling secrets of naming variables. By the end of this video, your code won't just work, it will look like it was written by a senior developer. Let's dive in. Before we make things look pretty, we need to know what is strictly forbidden in Dart. If you break these rules, your code will crash. Rule number 1, never start a variable name with a number. Look at this. Int oneAge equals 25. Notice the red error? Dart reads from left to right. When it sees a number right after the data type, it gets confused. It thinks you're typing a mathematical value, not a variable name. You can put numbers at the end, like age1, but never at the beginning. Rule number 2, no spaces allowed. String user space name equals John. Why is this an error? Because a variable is a single box. When you put a space, Dart thinks you're trying to create two separate things called user and name on the same line. A variable name must be one continuous word. Rule number 3, no special characters, except for the underscore and the $sign. Double price @ equals 19.99. Symbols like the @ hashtag, or dash have special mathematical or structural jobs in Dart. If you put them in a name, Dart thinks you're trying to do math or trigger a special function inside the name. Take it out and the error goes away. Since we cannot use spaces, how do we write a variable that has 2 or 3 words? Programmers have different styles. Some use snake case. In snake case, we use an underscore instead of a space. It looks like a long snake. This is popular in Python, but in Dart, it is not the standard. In Dart, the official standard is called Camel Case. Like a camel with a hump, the very first letter is lowercase, but every new word starts with a capital letter. Watch this. String first name with a capital N equals John. Notice the uppercase N. There are no spaces, no underscores. The capital letter acts as a visual break so your eyes can read the two words easily. Always use Camel Case in Dart. It is the industry standard. Now let's talk about logic. Code is read 10 times more than it's written. Look at this variable. What does D mean? Is it days, dogs, dollars? The computer doesn't care, it will run it. But if another programmer reads your code, or if you come back to it after a month, you'll be totally lost. Always give your variables meaningful names. Let's fix this. See the difference? We used Camel Case, and the name tells us what the number 7 represents. Clean and professional. Finally, let me give you a senior developer tip for Booleans. As we know, Booleans only hold true or false. They are essentially yes or no answers. Because of this, their names should sound like questions. If I name it light, it's confusing. True light, false light. Instead, start your Boolean variables with helper words like is, has, or can, like this. Bool is light on equals true. Bool has discount equals false. Bool can log in equals true. When you read is light on equals true, it makes perfect grammatical sense in English. It answers the question directly. And there you have it. You now know the strict rules, why we use Camel Case, and how to write clear, meaningful names. Your foundation is incredibly strong right now. In the next video, we're going to learn a magical feature in Dart that lets you mix text and variables together effortlessly. It's a trick that will make printing data much easier. Keep practicing, remember to use Camel Case, and I will see you in the next video here on Blue Code.